31, 32. Day 34 of 365. I'm here at the park starting a new challenge. Push up every day for the whole year. I'm adding 1 push-up daily until the year is over. Let's go. Hi. Can I invite you for a quick challenge?
Ano pong challenge?
I'm actually doing a push-up challenge for the whole year.
No!
But since it's my day 34, we're just gonna do 34 push.
Hindi po ko.
Yeah, it's okay. We're gonna do it in 3 sets. Like we can use the bench. We're gonna do it together.
Paano po?
Like we can do it the half, di ba full? We can do the half lang. As long as we can do the challenge.
No, hindi po ako.
No, we can wait for her.
Ano, like,
Yeah, you can practice. Parang
like ganito.
sige. Contract your tummy. Yung ganun, magtigas mo siya. Tapos half lang ganun. 1. Oh, yeah, half lang ganun. Perfect. Yeah. I'm doing 365 day push-up challenge. It's for the whole year. But since it's my day 34, we're just gonna do 34 push-ups. You know the basic one. Ganito. Di ba ganyan? Tapos we're not gonna be doing the full range. Yung half lang. 1. Tapos after 10 reps, we stop. You rest, then continue with the challenge. Let's do it then. Wait lang guys, isa tatlo lang yung main camera. It's going to be the main camera.
Hindi pantay.
Hindi pantay, sorry about that. I'm here at the park. I'm with
Darcy.
Darcy,
Luis.
Luis. We're gonna do how many push-ups?
34.
Let's go. On the ground.
Okay po kami.
Yes, let's do it together. In 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Concentrate. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rest a bit. But don't quit. Darcy, galing. Si Luis. Ay, nako. You guys from here?
Yes po, sa first.
San Fernando, near lang. You often jog
Siya
here?
po.
Every day?
Ako po from Angeles kasi ako.
Alayo.
Kakaano ko lang po, kakapasyal ko lang ulit.
Akala ko nag-migrate ka na from Angeles to San Fernando. Oh, parang ganun na nga. Okay, sige. Pag nakita ulit tayo, let's do another round.
Okay.
Okay. Let's continue with the challenge.
Kung makikita mo kami, tatago mo.
Wag. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Concentrate. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Rest. When was the last time you do push-ups?
November?
November?
Yes.
Really? Ano na ba ngayon? Ang tagal na. Months ago.
Okay. Ano pa?
You go to the gym ba? You go to the gym?
Dati, 3 years ago pa.
Oh, okay. Tapos ngayon you do jogging na. Ang ganda dito, di ba?
Yeah, every day.
Every day. Okay, sige. Bukas magkikita ulit tayo. Okay. Let's do another set. So, ilan na lang?
4.
No. 14. Ang daya ni Luis.
14, okay. Kaya ba?
Dinadaya tayo, Dars. Okay, kaya ba today? In 3, 2, 1, go. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Rest. Last 4. Strict 4. Natawanan tayo, no? Basher nyo yan pag napost natin. Ano?
Mga kaibigan.
Mga kaibigan, don't bash us. Okay, last 4 guys. 31, 32, 33, 34. Good job.
Talaga.
Okay,
Happy.
give me 5.
Name niyo po.
My name is, it's spelled as like Monday, but there's S in the middle. Month's day.
Sino nakaisip na name?
It's like Monday, Tuesday.
Ikaw to?
Yeah, that one there. Yeah.
Ay, wow, famous ka.
Yeah, that one, yeah. Can you please follow? Okay.
Oo,
So-
tag mo ko.
Just say, subscribe to Month's Day to follow the challenge. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe to Month's Day to follow the challenge.
Sorry.
Hey!
Paano ba
Practice. Tell them, Darcy para.
paano
Perfectionist.
i-pronounce? Paano
Okay,
i-pronounce?
subscribe to Month's
Diba
Day
Taurus ka?
Month's
Ba't
Day.
bigla ka
Yeah.
naging Virgo?
to follow. Perfectionist na.
Paano ulit
Yeah.
i-pronounce?
Subscribe to Month's Day to follow the challenge.
Okay.
Practice.
Okay.
Yeah. Huwag Thursday.
Subscribe. Ano?
Subscribe to Monday.
Subscribe to
To follow the
Month's Day to
To
follow
follow.
the channel.
Okay. In 3, 2, 1, go. Di ba nag-affiliate ka? I-flag mo na rin, dali.
Paano ko
Follow may TikTok. TikTok di ba yung affiliate?
Wait lang, lalagay ko.
Sige,
Ay,
ganun.
sayang, di ako mag-ano.
Pas ako,
Yeah.
Loki.
Yeah. You can follow me guys on TikTok. I do affiliates.
Guys. So we're here at Mega World Capital Town with Kuya,
Monday in the
Monday,
house.
and my best friend.
Darcy.
Mercy.
So ayun guys, follow niyo po siya. Lalagay ko na lang yung caption and
Yeah.
I'm gonna edit this video. Thank you!
Parang baliktad ah.
Ano yan?
Sabi ko magpa-follow ka dun sa nanonood sa atin. Sabihin mo, I'm Princess, I do affiliate. Please follow my TikTok. Parang
Okay.
ganun. Okay. Promote yourself mo.
Hi guys, I'm Luis. I do affiliates. I endorse a lot of products and also restaurants, gano'n.
Wow.
And mga clothing line. So, follow me on TikTok, Ruiz Chan. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Follow her guys. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, Luis.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. We see you around Don't forget to share your push-up guy in the comments below.
Subscribe to Mon's Day to follow the challenge. Yay!